Remind me who voted for Jared. Oh, that's right. He was official guess what chicken butt vintage sunset shirt put in charge with zero experience. Don't get it twisted that he cares about any people. None of them give about actual people. Just how it makes them look. American lives don't matter to the Trumps. None of them. As far as the Electoral College is concerned. They may as well not exist. This right here is why the EC needs to be retired. And also for Puerto Rico. And those voters are most likely to ignore mask regulations. Phoenix found itself in a catch-22, which the city's government relations manager explained to lawyers in an official guess what chicken butt vintage sunset shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. April 21st email obtained by official guess what chicken butt vintage sunset shirts Vanity Fair. Through a public record request on a call with the county last week, the mayor was told that the other products